Got a whole bunch of carrots for me? Oh, well then see, I'm not really interested. Flo and Zoe, here, all weekend. Thanks for the warning. Don't tell them where I am. Okay? The kittens are coming! The kittens are coming! Well, Clifford, Flo and Zoe are a little energetic.
Oh, yeah, sure. Flo and Zoe like to do lots of fun things. I can't wait to play with them, and I've already picked out a bunch of my favorite toys to show them. See?
Hey, you two, be careful. That's Clifford's favorite toy. Clifford, aren't you going to tell them to stop?
But they're my guests.
But they might break it. Oh no, I can't watch.
You're right, Clifford. That is a great toy.
I'm sorry about your toy, Clifford.
Oh, thanks, Daffodil.
Why'd you let them do that? Some friends, they don't seem to care about your toy or your feelings.
I don't think they noticed.
But they should have.
But we were going to play with you all weekend.
My favorite toy doesn't squeak anymore.
Well, it didn't break itself.
We've been acting like bad guests.
And even worse friends.
Thanks, guys.
Well, that's a step in the right direction.